Oh my god, I'm such an amateur, it's amazing, and I always make mistakes. Welcome to GT Racer. This is a small update on my last video. I did the video on the Novitec GP1. And in the end of the video, as you remember, I took apart the button and say, oh my god, there's no potentiometer in here. And I was like, oh, I'm feeling depressed. And I will send an angry email to, yeah, you know, the company in Germany, alfisti.net. Yeah, so I was blah, 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 blah. Last night, I got a comment from Raylan Givens. Thank you, Raylan. That said, very politely, like, do you not think that the potentiometer is in the big box and not in the button? And I'm like, oh my lord, I'm so stupid. So the first thing I did was, of course, I took up the instructions again. And I looking at, there you have the button, and here you have another button. And I'm like, oh, I thought this was that one. But you can see there is two cords coming out of this one. And can it be that the only box with two cords is actually the big computer box? Yes, of course it is. So now I have been under again. Everything is still connected, but I just been under and cut this one loose. And as you can see, there is two cords, just as in the instruction. But since I am Swedish and I can only translate IKEA manuals and description, and this is very, maybe not the most informative of manuals, so that's why I can't think for myself. I'm Swedish, you know. Yeah. But now let's open this one. It's just for insect screws, and open this up and let's see what's inside. We have our small operation table that's in my Alfa. I don't know if you can call it operation table, like a mechanics table. Let's open this bad boy, and hopefully we will have a revelation inside. I don't want to lose the screws, because right now I don't trust my own skills as a mechanic. No, I'm an amateur with everything, and I only do this channel and this project just because it's fun. It's a hobby. I'm perfectly well aware that my knowledge is so small you can fit it in a walnut and it will still rattle around. Or maybe some walnut is a big nut, maybe some smaller nut like a hazelnut. Okay, let's see. I'm nervous. This is like Christmas. And there we have it. You can see it. Inside the box. Oh, let's see if you can see the numbers. I need to turn this a little bit. Wait, I need to turn off the light. And with no light, we can actually focus. You see now, you can see the numbers. And right now, the position from the factory, according to the paper, is a 5. And as you can see, we have the 5 there. So it's a 5. And I want to crank it all the way up to a 9. Because then you have a B, C, D, E, F, G. I think something like that. But according to, we can only crank it up to 9. Let's see what happens. I don't want to go over to letters. Maybe they do nothing or everything else explodes. Let's turn this up to a... Do I have it on 9 now? Yeah. Let's see if you can see it again. Please focus. Now it's positioned on the 9. Let's put this back on and take a test drive and see if we have, because now we should have 30% more throttle response over the the red position that is 70%. All set. Let's see what happens. I can turn the camera a little bit so you can see a little better what I'm doing right now. Unfortunately, the whole cables everything is loose, but I just push it over to the passenger side and squeeze it shut with the, what do you call it, ashtray lid. Finally, I should be able to, and of course it's green. We'll go over to red, turn down the volume. I have no gasoline now, of course not. Let's see now. Most definitely we have an improvement. Damn, it jumps up straight. I think we need a test drive now. Let's see what happens. The door is open, of course. Let's turn around. Oh, that's my house. Let's turn the camera. I hope you can. I wonder if the camera will still be standing. Okay. That's. Let's do that again. I think we can get a good start now. Oh yes. And we had 150. I would say we have a faster gas response now. Suddenly it feels like I have more horsepowers, but of course I do not have any more horsepowers. Yes, let's do the ending of this video now. And that is all for today. On a final note, I take back every bad thing I said about the Novitec GP1. It's not the company or the Novitec GP1's fault that I am stupid and didn't understand that that potentiometer was actually in the bigger box and not in the small button box. Oh my lord. Yeah, but now I'm more happy. I have more response now definitely, because I cranked it up to a 9. So yes, I have 100% more throttle response, and I can feel it now. Suddenly it feels like the car has 50 more horsepowers, which is, of course, doesn't, but the feeling, because it whoop 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 revs up much faster. So I am happy now, and thank you for watching my video, and thank you for watching my videos. Yes, even though I'm an idiot. Goodbye now, and I will see you again in my next video. Bye.